So we decided to take a detour on our way down to Twin Falls, and we are stopping at the Mammoth Cave and Shoshone Bird Museum. So we still have a little ways to get there, but it's kind of cool. Two-headed calf, the two-bodied lamb, and the four-legged chicken. Wow. Albino marmot. Another two-headed lamb. Who knew there were so many?
Mom, look.
Parrots of the world. And whatever that is. Oh, jeez. It's a little slippery. Okay, so we are in the caves. Wow, this is crazy. Holy mackerel. So they give you a light, luckily, because it is pitch black in here.
Kids 12 and under can't use the lights.
Yeah. Kids aren't allowed to have their own lamp, which is kind of weird. Definitely watch the ground because it's steep and rocky.
Very steep.
Wow, this is cool. So I have a feeling you don't go that far, but we shall see. Wow, it's crazy. Now we're getting further in. This would be a good bomb shelter. Part's a little bumpy, not flat.
It's very nice.
Do we see anything creepy or scary?
Everything.
Everything was scary and creepy?
Just being in the dark.
So there is a third part. And it's another little museum area. Got all kinds of crazy stuff. Shark.
There's a shark.
That big old deer.